Before I start thanking people, I have to mention this. Ma andru ikkada inta prashantanga, inta aramga, we are here celebrating the success meet, watching movies in the theaters. It's only because there are people, there are soldiers who are actually guarding our country and making sure we sleep and we are at peace. So I think it's very important right now to mention that. We are all happy ikkada because of them. I truly pray that all the families, all the soldiers, everybody, may they get the strength and may they all live well. Okay, now back to my our movie Hit 3. Hi, Sesh. What's up? Okay, I'm not going to forget you this time. Hi. Okay, I'm going to keep my speech very short. So, naku chala cheppali, thank you, gratitude, but I'm going to keep it with me in my heart. To begin with my director, Sailesh. I had a little bit of a lull phase, and then this project comes my way. In my head, it was a yes. But obviously, I have to follow the process of listening to the story and narration and everything. Playing a role like where you have a love story and all of that, but it's a genre where for the first time I'm playing a cop, and I remember being a little anxious and nervous about it, and I did mention it to Sailesh that, I don't know, I don't know. The love part and the emotional part, all that I can pull off. I'm not sure about this cop. And I remember him saying that, you don't worry. You just wear your outfit and you come. I'm going to take care of the rest of it. And you did take care of it. You have made it so easier for me. I don't know how I played it. I don't know. I have not done justice to it. That's my personal critic that I do. But I hope audience liked it and loved it. So it's okay. Sesh, we did not share a screen space, but your entry did get the max whistle, okay? And Max got the max whistle, true. But you have done, you looked fabulous, and so much style and oomph that you've added to the character, which you already are as KD and as Sesh. Why is your name so difficult? Adivi Sesh. Okay. I shall try my best to do more movies and to do better movies and keep you all entertained. And finally, I always think we all take our family for granted, and I never mention them. But thank you so much, Nana, sisters, everyone. They have been rock solid support, and very few friends that I have. You guys have been tremendously backing me up. Without you all, I don't think I would have survived so far. Thank you so much. Oh, Anani, I was about to forget you. Sorry, I know my speech went longer. And all the media people, thank you so much for always writing nice things and sometimes not very nice things, but it's okay. Thank you so much, all the media people. I love you for being so supportive and always being there for me. Okay, now finally, Nani. I think I've told enough. I've expressed enough. I think all my promotional videos went a little crazy because I was sleep deprived. I was exhausted, so I was on extreme. But the affection, the love that I hold, it's very true. It comes from a very sincere space, because I know as an audience, as an artist, as your co-actor, how sincere you are, how honest you are, and naku chala daggara nunchi choose avakasam dorikindi, that how you put your life in everything that you do, especially when it comes to cinema. And I don't have to tell how you are as a person, the whole world knows. But I'm very honored, and it's my privilege that I got to work with you. And I think this 9 months or 10 months that I got to spend time, that I'm going to cherish with me forever, with the entire team also. So thank you so much, Nani. Like how I said, his success means my success. Your success, every time I see your movie, you shining brightly, it will feel it's my success too. I'm going to look forward to all your work. And thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Love you.